Hello everybody, this is Katerina and today we're gonna talk about Charlotte Tilbury beauty box. But what is most important, I will tell you step by step how to use this product because it's 12 items and it's lots of confusing products. So many people do not know how to use, and in this beautiful $200 box they don't put instructions. This is why I am here. I'm gonna tell you step by step how to use, and of course I create this beautiful look with these products. Yes, okay, let's start. And let's open our beautiful calendar. I love this packaging. Okay, let's open first little door. And what do we have here? It's your cleanser. It's a cleanser and it's like gel oil together, and also it's a mask. This is cream to oil cleansing mask. You can, how I will use, I will just put little bit on my hand. I will apply on my face. You need to put on a dry skin. If you want to use this as a mask, you can just leave this for 10 minutes. It's a vitamin A, C, but it's great for lines and wrinkles. Again, I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes because I wanna take advantage of this cleanser because it's cleanser, oil and mask together. Voila, my skin now it feels clean, hydrating. And let's open another little door. What is inside? Ooh, inside it's magic serum. This is serum. It's for all type of skin. I believe this size retails for $29. And again, remember, after cleanser, you're using this serum. Serum comes to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. You will use this serum morning and night, and on top, I will use this beautiful Magic Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. Which one? I actually, let me just show you. They put in a bottom. To me, it's like not make sense how they organize these doors, but like after cleanser serum, I will use moisturizer for the face. And remember again, first cleanser we use, then your serum, then your moisturizer. Then I decide to skip these two doors because we're gonna use later. Again, it's no make sense to open right now. I open actually third row and it's in the bottom. Oh, it will be this door. And what do we have in here? We have your primer for the face, and it's named WONDERGLOW Primer. This is it's your primer for foundation. Blur lines and wrinkles, also will give you nice beautiful glow. It's have little bit color. I actually really like to use on my day off sometimes just by self because it will even my skin, and this feels really good. Can you see how my skin getting very glowy? Primer it's done, and I have a sample of Charlotte Tilbury foundation, and I'm gonna use today color 5.5 warm cloud, I believe. And let's put now this foundation. Foundation go really small on my skin, and it's still, you can see how glowing my skin because underneath we have this special primer. Okay, foundation on my skin. I look a little bit pale, but I still feel I need a little bit hydration. I'm gonna go here in the bottom and I'm gonna use this product. Yes, this is my favorite primer setting spray, and it's like instantly will give you nice hydration. And oops, yeah. I really like this spray. First of all, it's really like final mist, but also will keep your makeup 16 hours. Yes, I love this product, but let's close this little bit door on the bottom and let's open this door. What do we have here? Mascara. It's still early for mascara. I think I'm looking for a beautiful highlighter. Okay, after opening all these beautiful doors, and look at how pretty, shimmery, this like a star, so pretty. Yes, I found what I'm looking for. Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, and it's a cream highlighter. Believe me not, I will use for my face and I will use on my eyes too. Okay, you need to twist here. It will tell you here off or on. Okay, I am twisting and it says on. Okay, let's squeeze a little bit. Okay, product should come out. Okay, let me show you how it looks. Yeah, it's a beautiful highlighter. I'm gonna put right here. And I like to apply with my actually finger. It just sits much more better and it smells so pretty with my foundation. Yeah, love this. And then I'm gonna actually put a little bit this highlighter under my eyebrow bone. Also, let's put this little highlighter right here above my lips and we are done. It is very pretty, but again, I like to use these products with my fingers. Then let's do an eyeliner. I actually really surprised about this because people who do not know, like they can open this and they will think, oh, this can be lipstick, can be eye, because it's not says, it says color CHAMELEON pillow talk. What it is, we know pillow talk, it's lipstick, right? But this is it. It's a cream eyeshadow and it's really neutral color, and the retail for this cream eyeshadow, just a second, it is full size $27, and I will apply on entire my eyelid. After like 10 seconds this eyeshadow should dry on my eyelid and should stay all day long. Now I'm gonna use eyeliner, and it's not full size, it's $27. This is again just traveling small size, and it's a long wearing waterproof eyeliner. Also remember all these products, which one I using from Charlotte Tilbury, if I don't know if you know or not, but it's like bunny approved or it's cruelty free. It's so hard for me to pronounce, but yes, it's really like this is products say not testing on animals. Okay, let's do eyeliner now. I really like this eyeliner. It's go really smooth, and I'm gonna use a little bit under too. I'm gonna little bit smudge this eyeliner and make a little bit more softer, but you can see how pop my eyes, and my eyes looks much more bigger. Okay, let's count so far how many items we already used. We use cleanser, serum, moisturizer, primer, setting spray, then I use this beautiful highlighter on my face, under my brow, then I use cream eyeshadow, then I put on top this beautiful eyeliner. But we have more products, because remember, it's 12 items. items it's here. Of course, if you if you like this video, please subscribe, comments below. I really appreciate your help, because I do want to show you best what we have right now at Nordstrom or in retail. This is such a hot items, and of course products will be listed below and you can shop from my link. And of course, I'm your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist. Okay, what are we missing? I think we're missing mascara, and I knew we have a little mascara in here. It's right here, and it's legendary Lash Volume Mascara number 2. Look at how beautiful package in here. But I actually want to see a brush. Okay, this is its we'll say regular brush, and it looks like will give me a nice beautiful volume, this mascara. Okay, let's do it. Wow, this mascara, it's really good. Wow, it's make my eyelashes lots of volume. Wow, I do like this mascara. Look my eyelashes. Wow, I love them. And of course I'm gonna use on the bottom. To finish this look, I must use eyebrow pencil, and it's not in here, but it is Charlotte Tilbury products. I do like it, and usually do very easy. You can see I already done one, and I'm gonna do very quick. Eyebrows is done. They make huge difference. And let's open another drawer. Oh, we have a pillow top, and it's number medium 2. I love this color. I already use in so many of my videos, and I do have pillow top number 2 lip liner. And lip liner, it's your traveling size. It's a small size, but your lipstick, it's full size. And this is, it's like a matte, actually beautiful matte color. It's a beautiful lip liner. Make my lips so full. Love this lip liner. Let me show you on my hand. It's kind of like a neutral, but slightly a little bit deeper than original pillow top. And I do have original pillow top. It's more lighter. This lipstick feels so buttery, creamy, and it's not feels dry at all. And let me a little bit show you on my hand. It's so pretty, but I am looking a little bit pale. Yes, we use all already, I believe 12 items, but I do feel a little bit pale. And of course, I'm gonna use right now favorite item from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a bronzer and highlighter together, and I'm gonna contour my face with this bronze, and of course I'm gonna use a slightly little bit highlighter. Bronze make a big difference, and let's put a little bit more highlighter just right here for extra glow. And yes, I feel we should do blush too. Finishing my look with a little bit blush, and let's use this amazing setting spray to set my makeup, because I want my makeup stay all day long. One more item, and it's Goddess Skin Clay Mask. Yes, I do not use it in this video. Do you know why? Holidays it's coming, and I wanna look amazing. It's a mask. You can use it for 10 minutes, but it's for dry skin, pore skin, where I have large pores. It's perfect for me, but it's also firming and lost elasticity mask. Okay, this is one more item in this beautiful box in here. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. But I think I give you everything you need to know about this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury beauty box.